What's up, Savage Squad? In today's video, I'm going to be trying some expired gum. This stuff expired in 2011, and I'm going to see how it tastes, because it's obviously a little bit old. I know there's a lot older out there, but here's the kind that looks like tape twisters, and we're going to see how it tastes, and I think it's going to be pretty nasty. Just a guess. Here's what it looks like. I usually don't do videos like this. I don't usually eat expired stuff, but let's just try a little. It's not good. Not good at all. I hope for you guys, so here's the rest of it. So nasty. I hate for the video, Savage Squad. I gotta go. It's so bad. Never do this.